In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic text zoom intro in CapCut PC. Let's launch the CapCut app. In this menu, click on Create Project. In the top left menu, click on the Text option. Drag the text box to the timeline. In the top right menu, change the text according to your needs. Now we have to change the font. It's better to use a font that looks bold. In my case, I will use the Arial Black font. Let's make the text a little bigger. In the top right menu, scroll down and add a scale keyframe. Now go to the end of the text clip, add another scale keyframe, and increase the scale to full capacity. Now we have to export this clip. In the top right corner, click on Export. Choose a file location for the clip and click on Export again. In the pop-up, click on Cancel. After you are done, close this project. Now create another new project. In the left side menu, click on Import. This is the text clip we just exported, and this is the main video for our project. Select both of them and click on Open. Here you can see that we have imported our desired clips. Add the main video to the timeline. Now add the text clip as an overlay to the main video. While selecting the text clip, expand the Blend option. In the Blend option, change the mode to Multiply. Here you can see that our video is inside the text now. If I play the video now, it plays the effect, but the end of the video is still a bit sloppy. Now bring your playhead to the end of the text clip. In the top right menu, click on Animation. In the Animation menu, go to the Out tab. In the Out tab, select the Zoom In effect. Increase the duration of the effect to 1.4 seconds. Now, if I play the video, you can see that we have successfully created a cinematic zoom text intro. Following these steps, you can create a cinematic text zoom intro easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.